Okay, we're taking some out in around the nose. We made a line here for our eyelids, so we can go up later on if we need to, but if you get too high, then you can't come down. So you want to start low and work your way up. So we got to take this out in here, which we're going to do now. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put in my comment section. I'll get back with you. Got to cut these cheeks back a little bit, and we're probably going to have to go up a little bit more for the eyelids. Thanks for watching.